promptly announced them. The first and most spectacular of these was Vanguard at the end of 1957. There were other Vanguard failures. All achieved takeoff, but trouble occurred either in the second or third stages. Explorers 2 and 5, Beacon, and Pioneer 2 were also considered unsuccessful experiments. A beginning has been made of which we may well be proud. We are, however, only just over the threshold. Much research, reevaluation, and work lies ahead for us. The United States is aware of the magnitude of the challenge and aware that it must be fully met.